question is to be answered by the Minister for Further and Higher Education, is to be asked by Mark Isherwood.
How is the Welsh Government working with the further education sector to increase the skill set in Wales?
MEDA collaborates with the further education through a range of initiatives aimed at enhancing the skill sets in Wales. This partnership focuses on developing tailored skills programmes that align with the needs of the local economy, ensuring that our learners are equipped with the relevant skills required by employers.
Well, last week's ColegauCymru Colleges Wales report, the impact of apprenticeship funding cuts in Wales, found nearly 6,000 fewer apprenticeship starts in Wales this year, with the cost to the economy of £50.3 million impacting the health and social care and construction sectors the most and disproportionately affecting the most deprived. Colleges Wales have also highlighted concern that although an independent study has found that junior apprenticeship programmes will save the economy £750,000 per person in preventative spend, in addition to providing numerous additional benefits to learners, rollout of junior apprenticeships is patchy across Wales, demand is exceeding supply and their future funding is uncertain. How, therefore, do you respond to the statement made during my recent visit to a further education college group in North Wales that they had to cut 300 apprenticeship starts and 23 out of 35 planned degree apprenticeship starts this year, and the statement by Colleges Wales that we need a national strategy for vocational education and training and dedicated funding for junior apprenticeships?
For your supplementary question and for your continued passion within this area. It's an area which is cross-cutting between myself and the Minister for Skills and also the Cabinet Secretary for Education. So some of the things that you question me about there would sit under the Minister for Skills. But if I start by talking broadly about apprenticeships in Wales, since 2020 to 2021, annual funding for apprenticeships in Wales has increased from £128 million to over £143 million this year. So I hope that that shows that we are fully committed to the role that apprenticeships play within the mix of learning that's offered within the tertiary system. And we are on target to meet that goal of 100,000 apprenticeships during this Senedd term. I'm particularly interested in the point you raised about junior apprenticeships, because I agree with you that they have got huge value for many of our learners aged 14 to 16. This is something that I am working closely with the Cabinet Secretary for Education on, and we hope to have something to announce in the not too distant future.
Cwestiwn 2,